5 tips on how to be positive. World of work skills. Positive thinking is the idea that you can change your life by thinking positively about things. Here are 5 tips to help you get started. Tip 1. Appreciate the little victories. You've done well in a test, someone complimented you, or you've finished your to-do list early and have time to relax. Appreciate the small things in life. It will make you feel accomplished. Tip 2. Practice positive thinking. Practice positive affirmations, like I'm determined to succeed. Make a list of your strengths and push self-doubt aside. Remind yourself daily that you are perfect the way you are. Tip 3. Do your homework seriously. The faster you're done with your homework and complete your assignments, you'll not only feel better about the quality of your work, you'll also have more time to do the things you like doing. Tip 4. Balance work with fun. Sitting in class, studying in the library, and taking tests can all be draining. Your mind will shut down if you don't take time to relax. So no matter how busy you are, it's beneficial to take breaks. Tip 5. Visualize success. Figure out what you want to do and how it will enhance your life. Then, seek opportunities, find new things to do, and improve your CV. This includes work experience, voluntary work, or even helping out at a fundraiser in school. For further support, contact us. host@profi.cymru, @cynllunprofi. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.